What's up? How are you feeling today? My name is Seven, and I'm your host for Fishing 24/7. I'm going to take you to Williams Fork Reservoir in Grand County, Colorado to do some ice fishing with my big brother. Please subscribe to help this channel grow. I'll catch you in a bit.
The man that needs no introduction, Mr. Seven. His YouTube page, and that's Fishing 24/7.
But the biggest thing about today is we have a special guest, simply known as Seven. Seven, we talked a little bit about fish, right? There's things that when you talk to Seven, a couple things you have to talk about. Fish, snacks, and sleep, okay? So you're a multi-species angler. You love fish of all sizes.
First lake shot ever. There he goes.
Looks like a good eater.
Give me a second.
You read that right. I think that's a fish. Boom.
Look at that whopper.
Pretty. Okay. Let's do the release.
When they get that small, they almost look like brook trout.
Yeah. Or splakes.
Yeah. You know, it's like the juvenile.
Like horizontal?
They're like, you know, yeah, no, these
vertical.
green, yeah.
Green.
See them?
Yeah.
Go down there, buddy.
Thank you for watching. I'm glad that you could join us today. Please like, subscribe, and comment to help this channel grow. Check out other videos on this channel. I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep on fishing.